we have to find value of each expression. In the first example, we have 8 minus 5 minus 12. We will start from the left side. We have 8 minus 5. 8 is greater than 5, so we can do subtraction. 8 minus 5, we know that this is 3. And we have still minus 12. Now, we have 3 minus 12. 3 is less than 12. So, we can always rewrite that this is like sum. First number we copy, and we have like plus negative 12. I didn't change anything because positive sign and negative is always negative, so it's still the same. But now you see that we have addition of two integers with different sign. We know how to do this. We just check which of these two numbers is greater. 12 is greater than 3, so we check the sign of the greater number is negative, so we copy negative sign, and in parentheses we just subtract from the greater number smaller, so we have 12 minus 3. So this is equal, negative sign we rewrite, 12 minus 3 is 9. So the answer is negative 9. Next example, we have negative 7 plus 14. We start from the left side. Negative 7 plus 14. One number is negative, one is positive. So again, we check the sign before the greater number is positive. 14 is greater than 7. 14 is positive. So we copy positive sign, and in parentheses, we subtract from the greater number smaller. So 14 minus 7, and we have to add plus 14. Don't forget. And next, positive sign, we can rewrite. 14 minus 7 is 7, plus 14, we copy. We have addition of two positive numbers. 7, can forget about positive sign. 7 plus 14 is 21. Positive, of course, we don't have to write positive sign. Next example. We start from the left side, 48 minus 51. So, like I said, the easiest way is to rewrite this example as addition. 48 we copy, plus negative 15. I didn't change anything because positive and negative is negative, but now I think it's easier to see what we have to do. Of course, copy 20. Negative 22. We have positive number and negative. How we add integers with different signs? We check the sign of the greater number. 51 is greater than 48. Before 51 we have negative sign, so we copy negative sign. In parentheses we subtract from the greater number smaller. The rest we rewrite. So this is equal. Negative sign we copy. 51 minus 48 is 3. And we have minus 22. So negative 3, negative 22. Again, this negative sign, negative, we can rewrite that this is negative 3 we copy. And with negative 3 plus negative 22. Again, I didn't change anything because positive and negative, or negative and positive is still negative. But now we see that we have addition of two integers with the same signs, negative and negative. So we copy this negative sign and just add 3 plus 22. So this is equal, negative sign we copy, 3 plus 22 is 25. This is my solution.